Remember that it will move. Oh my gosh. We're going backwards. We're supposed to be going front, not backwards.
Backwards and frontwards is there. So we are so excited. I don't know. We get something here, and we cannot stop this.
This thing I'm recording on is my iPad, and I also brought my Apple Watch also. She gave me my birthday. You. And oh my gosh! What the heck is that? So nice.
విజయవాడ నుంచి
Isn't it nice, guys? Outside. Saying nice things outside. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I can see the train. Bro, there's a train. Oh my gosh. Told you, we will never forget for it. Yeah, we'll never forget that we'll record when it is moving. We will never. Why are you laughing?
one more train is there.
Hey!
That's a metro.
There's a metro train on that bridge. Eh? Hey, that's a metro train. Metro train, you can see that? What? Oh my gosh, there's a train, another train. Oh, smoke is even coming. Oh, that is a carriage train.
No, that's a goods train.
Goods train, yeah. Oh my god.
Hey, look at those people, how they're walking on the track. Is this your building? It looks like your building.
No, it is not.
They're walking near the train.
Why are you walking on the train? Bro, the train will move. Your legs will fall into that cuts. Oh my gosh. AC sleeper.
That is AC sleeper.
Oh, you can sleep in
One
this?
more. Yeah, that we can sleep in that.
Wow. What? He's standing on it. He's standing on that train. Oh my gosh. He's standing on the freaking train. How is he?
Oh, look at this. There's a construction going on.
It's just a construction.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh my gosh, the crane is moving. I never seen a moving train before, but it's not that interesting.
Yeah.
AC3 tier. Whoa, that's nice. Whoa, that looks so big.
That is sleeper class. What is sleeper class? Sleeper class. Sleeper for class.
Second class.
Second class. I was second class. What?
I would love to be in first class.
Why?
It's better. Okay. Check that out. All of this. A blue train.
Yellow now?
Is it also brown? Yellow and brown? So nice chocolate. Ow!
Joshua.
What? Water. I have my own water. I have my own water. They gave me water and I have my own water. Oh my gosh, so many stones are there.
Amma, look at those wheels.
Oh my gosh, the wheels are bigger than my head. What does this say? Okay, why is the train up? Sleeper class. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, red train. I like the color red.
That's a maroon. This is red.
This is kind of accident relief train.
Oh